this time each year. Well, away up north where the air gets cold, there's a tale about Christmas that you've all been told. And a real famous cat all dressed up in red, and he spends the whole year working out on his sled. It's the little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick. Just a little bobsled, we call it old Saint Nick. Much to walk and toboggan with a 4-speed stick. She's candy apple red with a ski for a wheel. And when Santa hits the gas, man, just watch her feel. It's the little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. Run, run, reindeer. He don't miss no one. And hauling through the snow at a frightening speed, with a half a dozen deer with Rudy to lead. He's gotta wear his goggles cause the snow really flies, and he's cruising every bad with a little surprise. It's the little Saint Nick. Little Saint Nick. It's the little Saint Nick. Little Saint Nick. Oh, Merry Christmas. Christmas time this year. Oh, Merry Christmas. Christmas time this year. Oh.
Yep.